welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and we're up with another unboxing today. So very recently I have been contacted by a few companies who have offered to send me some goodies so I can show you guys. Now, many of you will know I do have a long-standing sort of thing with one company that I've been very happy with showcasing what they sell, but I do also want to make sure that I am bringing you guys other places so that you've got options. So I do consistently as well purchase from other places so that I can show you, and I do also on occasion agree to work with other companies and show you some products. Now, I don't by all means accept goodies from every company, and I only do it if I like the look of the site, the items, etc. But there are a few unboxing videos coming up now that will show you, or over the next however long, that will show you some items from different companies, just in case you want that little bit of variety. Some seem to be based more Europe based, some seem to be based more with States prices. Of course, fan sales that I also work with are based UK prices. However, they do all ship from China, so they will all ship anywhere in the world. But of course, sometimes it's easier to shop in your own currency, or at least with a website that'll change the currency for you. But anyway, that's enough waffling. So today, these are some goodies from Craftsyart. The name will be in the title anyway. So yeah, I'm very excited to show you some goodies that they've sent over. And they've actually sent me an extra, which wasn't an item that I necessarily chose. Not that I'm not going to do it, because hey, I seem to spend my life diamond painting. But this is very pretty. So this is a card. So I do like these snack projects. So this just says bless you on the side, and then it's got space for you to write your own verse or whatever else, whatever saying you want. You could use it for a few different things. And then it's got the numbers on the card, where of course you stick said diamonds. So if you've got somebody that you want to, you know, just you want a little fun project to do, but then you've got a card handy to show somebody else, to, you know, pass on the love, should we say. So to show you the colours, of course there's not loads, but there's definitely some pinks. So we've got a few nice shades of pink, which will be good for the shading. Again, we've got a few shades of green, which will be good in shading, and then we've got a nice pop of orange. These don't have the DMC numbers on them, so they don't show you the DMC. In fact, I don't even know why I'm putting that back in there. They don't show you the DMC numbers, but it's definitely got quite a bit of shading in the green, and of course in the flower with a pop of orange, and you do get a toolkit as well. So this could actually, if we ever get to the point of, you know, being able to go on holiday again, this could potentially be something nice to take away with you, or maybe even a car journey. No, diamonds, car, maybe not. Maybe not, but definitely a nice snack project, especially if you're going away, you know, maybe for an evening and overnight, and you want it just in case, you know, the need to diamond paint happens. Anyway, let's have a look what's in the next one. So the next two are ones that I picked from the website. So we have a couple of very bright ones from this site. They sort of drew me in. I do like working with bright colours. So I'll just make sure my rubbish is sort of going to one side. So this is a 30 by 40. It is a poured glue, So I don't expect the drill area to be 30 by 40, but I am going to measure it. But the symbols are very clear. Just see if I can get that to flatten down a little bit better. But can you see how clear those symbols are? Even the 3 on the black. We've got a lot, even when we've got sort of a few colours together. It doesn't have a lot of confetti, this one, but you do still change your colour often enough. Sometimes I do like these that have little sections of blockiness. I do like my confetti though, so sometimes I just feel like something that's not as hard work. And I like the blockiness. It doesn't have DMC numbers. Oh, let me check the measurements. So it says 30 by 40, and I'm expecting, yeah, that is the full canvas size. So the actual diamond painting area is near 25 by 35. Canvas size is 30 by 40. Okay, so that's the only thing to bear in mind. I don't find it too much of a problem. I recently framed one that was a 30 by 40. I framed it in a 30 by 40 frame. I just used the piece of paper that came with the frame as my mount, and it worked out perfect. Or you could get a piece of, maybe on this one, a piece of yellow card or a piece of black card to mount it. But I was drawn to the colours. So we have some more subdued yellow that looks more like it's the background. In fact, yes, it's all number 1, so that's the background. And then we have a bit more vivid yellow up here. We do have 3 bags of black, so that is 310. Even though it doesn't have DMC numbers, that is 310. We all know the number of black. Or at least if you don't already, you will do soon. We've got some nice greens. Oh, that's a nice bright orange. It looks like 720 or something. We've got some more yellow. Couple of nice blues. Burgundy and red. It's not quite looking like 666, but it's high up in the reds. We've got some blue, green. We've got like a peachy and a purple. Where does that peachy go? That's number 13X. Okay, so it goes in the middle of this shading for the yellow. That's where that peachy colour goes. And then we've got some purple, which of course will go in here with some blues. So I'm liking those colours. How long was that? Wait. I'm liking those. Very nice. I will put links to all the items. Well, I'll definitely put it to the 2 paintings. Sorry, excuse the noise. If I don't seal them back up, I get confused quickly on what diamonds go with what. We do get a basic toolkit as well. So your wax, your tray, your pen, and a couple of baggies. But definitely enough to start the process. I will definitely put links to the diamond paintings. The card, I will put it as provided I can find it on the website, because say they did just send that as a little extra, which is very nice of them. And I must say, from the date of this being shipped, so from the date of notification of this being shipped, it has got to my door in 6 days. Yeah, I didn't get that wrong. 6 days, which is amazing, to be honest. Whether that's the courier that they use or not, I don't know. Okay, so this is the second one. Now, I actually didn't realise this was a partial, though that is more than likely my own fault. I just got excited by the colour. So again, two very colourful ones. I think I was in a very colourful mood. This has got 12 colours. It is, again, it's round. They're both round. And this one doesn't have DMC numbers, but it's pretty. We've got a basic toolkit again, a couple of baggies, pen, wax, boat. Enough to get going. I could sit there and do this diamond painting with what they've provided me with. But let's show you the vividness of the colours on this one. So we have some blues. In fact, it's a very similar colour to the stripe on the back. Some other blue, white, purple. That looks like 310. Not a lot though. We've got some nice red and sort of a pinky red. A bit more red than pink. Oh, lovely orange again. Nice bright yellow. And then we've got a couple of greens and some burgundy. So very nice selection of colours. Just trying to get it to fold up in the sort of enough to slip back into this bag. I do, when I get a diamond painting that has a lot of loose diamonds, you know, the loose packets, I do tend to store them in a pouch. But when they come like this, I tend to just store them like this, and I'll put a little note on what they are. But this number, so J121, you see that that's on the packet? So that is J121, and this packet is the 3rd colour. This packet is the 4th colour. So on the diamond painting itself, we've got J121. So that is your reference to the colours. And then of course the 3rd colour was the white, and the 4th colour was the purple. So it does link up, just trying to get it to lay flat. Now this is poured glue. That's the only reason I am creasing it back on itself, because poured glue can take quite a beating and still turn out okay. I have ironed these if they need it. Otherwise, I just tend to put something on top of it for a couple of days and it works fine. This one does say it's 30 by 30, but again, I believe that is, yeah, that is the full canvas size. So the actual picture is 25 by 25, and of course you diamond paint on the partial. So the background you don't diamond paint on, you diamond paint on the actual flower itself. But that is pretty. So thank you so much to Craftsyart for sending me these goodies to show you. I'm sure I will get to do them soon. But I love the colours, especially in this one. I don't know what it is, it just popped out at me. It just went, hello, you're needed, I need you. It's basically, you know, it told me it needed me, so it had to be done. Beautiful. And yeah, as I say, we've got a rose and we've got a card. So thank you very much to Craftsyart. I hope this helps you guys with other websites to shop from. All looking good from my end, what was expected. Say, apart from this, but I think that was me not looking at the description, or my daughter may have picked this one to do. I can't remember. We went shopping together, we had an evening of shopping. But even so, I'm not disappointed. It's not a huge background with a tiny little piece for you to diamond paint. There's a decent area to diamond paint on that one. So I'm happy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.